Today's business world is more complex than ever before, with companies increasingly operating in new ways and across international borders. Every country has its own ideas of how to deal with this complexity, making for a constantly shifting and sometimes inconsistent legal landscape that's hard to understand. Businesses need up-to-date information and clear answers to navigate this new world, and they need them now. At Pinsent Masons, we understand your need. In the year 2000, we created Outlaw.com to provide fast, commercially focused legal news and insight your business can rely on. With our dedicated team, able to draw upon our legal experts, Outlaw provides up-to-date legal insight in the clear, concise and commercial language that you do business in. Bringing you analysis you can't find anywhere else, My Outlaw can be tailored to your requirements in seconds, focusing only on the information you need. But Outlaw.com does more than look at the present. Drawing on our lawyers' deep sector knowledge, it joins the dots between legal developments across the globe, identifying critical issues early, helping your business prepare for tomorrow today. With 4.5 million users a year, including the general counsels of some of the world's biggest companies, Outlaw is the world's most visited law firm website. Access over 30,000 pages of news and analysis instantly, at your desk, on your tablet or on your phone, whenever and wherever you need them. Outlaw.com. Innovative, responsive, personalized legal insight, provided by Pinsent Masons.